Hello and welcome again to our video shorts. My name is James Timmons and today I'm going to show you how to use the mirror merge in the Embroidery Studio E4.0 program. The mirror merge is a great feature inside the program that enables you to duplicate objects on the screen so that you can multiply them, preventing you from having to digitize each object on the screen. So here we have a design on the screen, and I've gone in already and I've digitized. I've got some circle satin stitches that are going to go around this shape here on the inside and the outside. So what I went in and did up front, I went in and digitized the objects here on the screen here as I press my tab key to show you what was done first, second, and third. Then I have my running stitch going to my next object on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate those in this design, preventing me from having to digitize every last one of these little objects here on the screen. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go in and make sure that I have everything that I need selected on the screen. So I'm going to click on the running stitch on the inside. I'm going to press my shift key down and I'm going to go all the way to the last object here that I need duplicated. So at this particular point here, I'm going to go in. I've already counted the number of little columns that I need here, and the number is 36. Now, if you don't see your mirror merge icon on the screen here, or whenever you can't see an icon on the screen, if you know that you have that particular element in your software, you could always navigate. I'm going to go up top here, and I'm going to right click on avoided space, and it's going to bring my drop menu down. Everything that is checked, of course, is already open on my screen. So I'm just going to scroll down here and I see my mirror merge tools tab here. So I'm going to put a check by it here, and I can see that my mirror merge tools here are now on the screen. Now, so once I've gone in and I've selected, as I go again here, the first one, I'll press shift and I'll go to the last one here. My icons here lit up on the screen. Now in E4, when you choose the mirror merge, the tabs here, they've been split in two actually. And so when I go in now and I click on the wreath, okay, I'm going to see my mirror merge, the second little option here for the where you actually place the number of items that you want in will appear on the screen here. And sometimes it might be above here also. So just pay attention. And once you click on this, that little tab here will open up somewhere on the screen. Basically, usually it's up top. So if you can't see it, just make sure that you look for it and make sure that it's on the screen. I'm going to go here and I'm going to actually see, I'm going to type in 36 here and press enter. And so it gave me all of the items here that I need on the screen. And now I'm going to find the center point here of my design here. And once I find that center point, all I need to do at this particular point here, and expand that out a little bit here also, making sure that I got enough space. And I'm going to left click. And what that did basically, it went in and set up all of my 36 objects on my screen here. And again, this is a great tool inside the software that you can use to go in, and if I want to track that, I can actually go in, click on that first tool. I can press H for Reshape Tool. It shows me, and I can press Tab, and it'll follow in the direction that it was digitized, just like this. Really, really, really nice tool. Very helpful if you have multiple objects that you need to digitize inside your program. And I'm going to press 0 here for full view. I'll choose my select tool here. And now all I've got to do at this particular point here is go in and open up my little circles here on the screen. Unhide those. And unlock this one. So basically what I've done here on my screen is I've gone in and I've set up everything. As you saw what I did, I selected the items that I needed to duplicate. or multiply, and I went in and chose my mirror merge tool. I chose the number of objects that I needed, pressed enter, and that allowed me to put all of these objects here on the screen so that I did not have to digitize them manually, which is a great tool inside the program. So that's going to do it for the mirror merge portion of the program. Thank you very much. Again, we always love for you to go in and log in to www.willcomamerica.com and look us up. Thank you very much. Have a good day.